Carrie with Viessmann, and today we're talking about the Vitoconnect. The Vitoconnect allows the boiler to connect to your internet and allows you, the homeowner, to have access to what's happening with your boiler through a phone app called the VCare app. The Vitoconnect works with boilers that have our HO1B controller. It comes standard with our CU3A boilers. That's what I have here today in our home. And it's an optional accessory with our Vitodens 200 models. And this is for the Viessmann residential boilers. The Vitoconnect will come in a separate box. And in that box will be the Vitoconnect, a power cord, as well as a USB cord. It will also come with manuals. And on the manual, it's going to have the serial number, and you'll also see that on the Vitoconnect itself. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how we install the Vitoconnect. So when you come into the front here, we're going to lift up the controls, then we're going to lift up this front portion. If you look close here, you're going to see a plastic lens. And that is going to need to be removed in order to make room for the plug for the Vitoconnect. So we're just going to pop out this lens right here. That can be set aside, that's not needed. And then the actual Vitoconnect plug is in the shape of a V. And you can see here, there's actually a spot, looks just like a V. And that is where we are going to plug the cord in. We're going to take the USB side and fish it down. This way you can actually close the lid completely and you don't have a cord hanging out here. Then we're going to bring around the back. There are 2 screws that need to be taken out, and then we can just pop off this back lid. And then what I've done here is actually fish that USB cord just through the back of the boiler. There's an opening right here, and then that comes straight out. This will allow our lid here to close all the way so that there's not a cord standing out. And then the Vitoconnect itself, if you take a look, has a couple options. This just the quarter turn comes off, and then you can have mounting screws. You can actually mount it in the back, or you can actually hide it inside the boiler. So once you have your power plugged in, as well as the USB plugged in, you're going to see 3 green lights. And that's going to show that we are all set. Install is complete, and we're ready for next steps. The next steps will have to be done once your home has internet.